how to use ChatGPT to write an essay. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and for today's video, I will show you how you can easily write an essay in just less than 30 minutes, and you can complete your essay using this AI platform, which is the ChatGPT. So to get started, you need to first create an account here. So just simply visit the openai.com, and here just go to ChatGPT under the featured, and you can just create an account by providing your email or connecting your Gmail account to ChatGPT. And once you're done, this is the main homepage. And over here on the left hand side is where you can see all the chat that you have with ChatGPT, because it's a chat bot that will help you to write anything that you like. So here you can simply write anything over here. So for example, you will be writing an essay. You need to first provide the topic. So let me just go ahead and type it here. So first we need to type in the word that we like ChatGPT to do for us. So for example, here I will be asking ChatGPT to write me. So I will just type write, and it's up to you if you will be adding the word me, or it's fine without it, but I just like to write it this way. So write me a, and I will just provide here the number of words that I'd like. For example, I just like to write 1000 words essay, or let's just say for this video, because 800 is kind of long, so I will just type it here, 300 words essay. And that is the type of writing that we would like ChatGPT to give us or to write for us. So here I will just type the title about, and then just enter here the title or the topic of your essay. So I just search the popular essay topics over here from Google, and I will be selecting this one over here. Should students get limited access to the internet? And let's make use of this topic as an example for today's video. So here I will just type it here. So now we have write me a 300 words essay about should student get limited access to the internet, and then after that just click enter. All right, and as you can see here, ChatGPT is starting to write us a 300 words essay about this topic. But of course, if you want to have a long essay, then you can also ask 800 or 1000 words essay about, and then just enter the topic of the essay that you like ChatGPT to write for you. So here we have this one over here. So the issue of whether students should have limited access to the internet has been a topic of discussion for many years. While the internet provides students with a vast array of information and resources, it also exposes them to a range of negative influences such as cyberbullying, addiction, and inappropriate content. On one hand, the internet is a valuable tool for education, providing students with access to online resources and educational materials that can greatly enhance their learning experience. So here, as you can see, this information here is really good, and the grammar and the English also good. And as you can see that this one is not just copy and pasted from other blog or from other content, but you can consider this one as an original content or writing. So you can make use of this one to submit your essay, or if you write essay for someone, then you can go ahead and copy and paste this and send it to someone who asks you to write an essay, and it's ready to use. So that's how you can make use of this platform. It's really easy to write over here. And of course, there's also other thing that you can do with the chat GPT. So for example, I will add here a new chat, and also you can ask chat GPT anything as well. So for example, I will ask here, give me some ideas how to make money online. And with that, ChatGPT can also provide you some information or ideas how to make money online. So let's just wait for the load here. So sometimes it load for a while because there's a lot of user now since ChatGPT is just for free and anyone can really take advantage of this platform because it really helps everyone to improve their writings and to write different content or ask some ideas. Because here inside the chat GPT, you can also make use of this to improve your writing or improve your English grammar as well. So here, as you can see, we have now the 10 ideas how to make money online. That is start a blog or YouTube channel, sell product or services, offer freelance services, participate in affiliate marketing, invest in stock, provide online tutoring, create and sell online courses, participate in online surveys, rent out, start a dropshipping business. So these are some ideas that you can make money online. And of course, you can also make use of ChatGPT to make money online by offering services to write essay, to write a web content or a blog to someone, and you can make use of the chat gpt to write you something, and you can finish the writing in just less than an hour, and you can make money online, especially if you offer services from different freelance websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and other freelancing website. So I guess that's all for today's video, how you can write an essay. So it's very as simple as you can see here. So just to remember, you need to first type the write to ask ChatGPT to write you something. And then here is the length of the writing, which is 300 words. And then the type of writing, we have the essay, and of course, the topic. So those are the formula for you to get the result from this platform. And as you can see here, we have the so as you can see here, we have now the 300 word essay for this topic. And also here we have the in conclusion, while the internet has many benefits for education, it's also important to consider its negative impacts on students. By providing students with limited access to the internet and educating them about safe and responsible online behavior, we can ensure that they receive the best of what the internet has to offer while minimizing its negative effect. So that's a good conclusion. So I guess that's all for today's video, and I hope that you learned something today. And if you have any question, just comment down below, and thank you for watching.